When you're considering hiring a bathroom renovation contractor kitchener homeowners can trust, one of the first questions that likely comes to mind is, what is the average cost to renovate a bathroom in Ontario? This is a crucial question, especially for those of us living in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, where local market conditions, materials, and labor rates can greatly impact the overall expense. Understanding these costs is vital for budgeting your project effectively and ensuring you get the most value for your investment. In this blog post, we'll delve into the various factors that influence bathroom renovation costs in Ontario, from the size and scope of the project to the quality of materials chosen. We'll also offer insights into local pricing trends and provide tips on how to work with a trusted contractor to keep your renovation on budget. Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious spa-like retreat or simply looking to update your space for functionality and aesthetics, having a clear understanding of the average costs can help set realistic expectations and guide your decision-making process. So let's explore what you need to know before embarking on your bathroom renovation journey in Kitchener-Waterloo. Understanding bathroom renovation costs in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the costs involved is crucial for effective budgeting and planning. The average cost of a bathroom renovation in Ontario can range anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000, depending on the size and scope of the project. In Kitchener-Waterloo, these numbers can vary based on factors such as the choice of materials, the complexity of the design, and labor costs. Hiring a reputable bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener can help guide you through these decisions, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Several factors influence the overall cost of your bathroom renovation. Material choices, such as tiles, countertops, and fixtures, can significantly impact your budget. Opting for high-end materials will increase costs, but can provide better durability and aesthetic appeal. Labor is another significant expense, and choosing skilled contractors in the Kitchener-Waterloo area ensures quality craftsmanship that can save you money on future repairs. Additionally, the extent of structural changes, such as moving plumbing or electrical systems, can also affect the final price. To help manage costs and maximize the value of your renovation, consider the following tips. Plan your renovation thoroughly before starting to avoid unexpected expenses. Consider retaining the existing layout to minimize plumbing and electrical work. Shop around for materials and fixtures to find the best deals without compromising quality. Invest in energy-efficient fixtures to reduce long-term utility costs. Hire a local bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener to benefit from their knowledge of local suppliers and building codes. Key factors influencing bathroom renovation prices in Ontario. When planning a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the factors that influence costs can help you budget more effectively. One of the primary considerations is the size of the bathroom. Larger bathrooms naturally require more materials and labor, which can drive up costs. Additionally, the complexity of the renovation project, such as changing the layout or relocating plumbing fixtures, can significantly impact expenses. These structural changes often require professional expertise and permits, adding to the overall cost. Another crucial factor is the quality of materials and fixtures chosen for the renovation. High-end materials like natural stone tiles or custom cabinetry tend to be more expensive, but can add considerable value and aesthetic appeal to your home. Conversely, opting for standard fixtures and materials can keep costs down while still offering a fresh look. It's essential to balance your budget with your desired outcome to ensure satisfaction with both the quality and cost of the project. Working with a reputable bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener, such as Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, can offer valuable insights and help you navigate these decisions effectively. Their expertise can guide you in selecting materials that fit your budget without compromising on quality. Moreover, local contractors are familiar with the building codes and regulations in Ontario, ensuring that your renovation is compliant and professionally executed. Plan your budget and prioritize essential upgrades to avoid unexpected costs. Consider the long-term value of high-quality materials versus initial savings on cheaper options. Request multiple quotes from local contractors to compare prices and services. Factor in the potential need for permits and inspections when planning your timeline and budget. Consult with professionals like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys for tailored advice and expert execution. How to budget your bathroom renovation in Kitchener. Renovating a bathroom in Kitchener can be an exciting but daunting task. To ensure your project is successful, it is crucial to create a realistic budget. The average bathroom renovation in Ontario can range from $10,000 to $25,000, depending on the size of the space and the materials you choose. Setting a clear budget from the start will help you make informed decisions and avoid unexpected costs. When budgeting for your bathroom renovation, consider the quality of materials and fixtures you desire. High-end finishes such as marble countertops or custom cabinetry can significantly increase costs. On the other hand, opting for more affordable alternatives like ceramic tile or prefabricated cabinets can help keep your renovation within budget. Additionally, labor costs can vary, so it's important to get multiple quotes from reputable bathroom renovation contractors in Kitchener to find the best deal. To help you plan more effectively, here are some practical budgeting tips. Prioritize your needs. Determine what aspects of your bathroom are most important to you, such as a new shower, updated fixtures, or improved storage, and allocate your budget accordingly. Plan for surprises. Set aside at least 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected expenses, such as plumbing issues or structural repairs, which are common in older homes in Waterloo and Cambridge. Shop locally. Consider purchasing materials from local suppliers in the Kitchener-Waterloo area to save on delivery costs and support local businesses. DIY where possible. If you have the skills, consider tackling some tasks yourself, like painting or installing accessories to save on labor costs. Consult with experts. Engage with a professional bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener to receive guidance on cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. By carefully planning and prioritizing your needs, you can achieve a beautiful and functional bathroom renovation that fits your budget. With the right approach, your Kitchener home can benefit from a refreshed and modernized space that adds value and comfort. Finding a reliable bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener. When embarking on a bathroom renovation in Kitchener, finding a reliable contractor is crucial to ensure your project is completed efficiently and to your satisfaction. The right contractor will not only bring your vision to life, but also help you navigate the complexities of permits, material choices, and budget constraints. In a region like Kitchener-Waterloo, where the demand for skilled tradespeople is high, taking the time to choose the right professional can make all the difference in transforming your space. Start by researching local contractors who specialize in bathroom renovations. You can do this by asking for recommendations from friends or family, checking online reviews, and visiting contractor websites to see examples of their previous work. It's important to ensure that the contractor you choose is familiar with the local building codes and has experience working on projects similar to yours. A seasoned bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener will understand the unique challenges of renovating in this area, such as the need for durable materials that can withstand the region's climate. Always ask for detailed quotes from at least 3 different contractors to compare pricing and services offered. Check if the contractor is licensed and insured to protect yourself from any potential liabilities during the renovation. Request a timeline for the project and ensure it fits within your schedule to avoid extended disruptions to your home life. Inquire about the contractor's relationships with local suppliers, as this can often lead to cost savings on materials. Look for contractors who offer a warranty on their work, which can provide peace of mind in case any issues arise post-renovation. By taking these steps, Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners can confidently choose a bathroom renovation contractor who will deliver quality work and a stress-free renovation experience. Remember, investing time in finding the right contractor can lead to a successful project that enhances your home's value and functionality. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When considering a bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener, understanding the local market costs is crucial. In Kitchener, where many homes are from the pre-1960s era, renovation costs can be influenced by the need to upgrade aging plumbing and electrical systems. Homeowners in Kitchener can expect to spend between $15,000 and $25,000 on a typical bathroom renovation, with higher costs reflecting necessary updates to infrastructure that might be outdated. In contrast, Waterloo's housing stock is generally newer, with most homes built post-1980s. This often means more modern construction standards are already in place, which can streamline renovation projects. As a result, bathroom renovation costs in Waterloo tend to be more predictable, ranging from $12,000 to $20,000 for a standard remodel. This predictability can be a significant advantage for homeowners looking to stick to a budget. Cambridge, with its charming century homes in areas like Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, often faces similar challenges to Kitchener, with older homes requiring more extensive updates. In Cambridge, the cost of a bathroom renovation can also range from $15,000 to $25,000, particularly if the home's original plumbing and electrical systems need to be brought up to current standards. Despite this, the unique character and charm of these older homes can make the investment worthwhile. Consider the age and condition of your home's infrastructure before setting a renovation budget. Consult with a local bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener, Waterloo, or Cambridge to get an accurate estimate. Factor in potential unforeseen expenses, especially in older homes. Explore financing options if upfront costs are a concern. Plan renovations during off-peak seasons to potentially save on labor costs. Frequently asked questions. Q. What is the typical range for bathroom renovation costs in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. In Kitchener-Waterloo, the cost of renovating a bathroom can vary significantly based on the size of the space, materials chosen, and the complexity of the project. On average, homeowners can expect to spend between $10,000 to $25,000 for a mid-range renovation. High-end renovations that include luxury fixtures and finishes can exceed $30,000. It's essential to get detailed estimates to plan your budget effectively. Q. How can I save money on my bathroom renovation? A. To save money on your bathroom renovation, consider prioritizing updates that offer the most significant impact. Retaining the existing layout can reduce plumbing and electrical costs. Opt for mid-range materials that offer durability and style without the high price tag. Additionally, getting multiple quotes from contractors can help you find the best price for quality workmanship. DIY some of the simpler tasks, like painting, to cut costs further. Q. How long does a bathroom renovation typically take in this area? The duration of a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo generally depends on the project's scope and complexity. A standard renovation can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, while a more extensive remodel might extend to 6 weeks or more. Factors such as the availability of materials, unforeseen structural issues, and the contractor's schedules can also influence the timeline. Clear communication with your contractor can help ensure a smooth process. Ready to transform your bathroom? Discover how bathroom renovations Kitchener-Waterloo with Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can bring your vision to life. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results at competitive prices. Contact us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate. For more insights and reviews, check out Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google. Let us help you create the bathroom of your dreams.